It's pretty solid right now.
It's beautiful.
It's priceless to the woman. She said that her mother-in-law loved this chair. I'm doing it to help someone who apparently misses her mother-in-law. I hope she appreciates this. I'm doing this now just for the memory of her mother-in-law. Yeah, I'm trying to save as much as the original seat as I can. I'm having to replace some things, which is taking a little bit more time.
That is a lot of detail.
Well, I'm going to put some other pieces like right here, and probably even here to reinforce the seat. I'm going to replace it, glue it in, and then I'll cut a piece here and a piece here.
What are you doing now?
Well, I'm just sort of patching the places where this veneer has separated and broke off. Then I'll stain it to try and match the color as close as I can. Sand it.
So what you do with this?
All this had to be patched in. I'm trying to keep it as original as possible so that the ambience is still there. The thought of their mother-in-law is still there. So again, I'm trying to keep it as original as possible. The chair itself, I've got it ready to go back together once this seat is done. And then it will be glued and clamped. Once the glue dries, then I will finish it with probably water-based paraffin. I'm cleaning the edge up from where I glued. I reinforced the bottom of this seat. this is gonna work. Do a little sanding and I'll finish it.
Cleaning.
Just cleaning excess glue that went everywhere. If I have any left in here. I don't know if I have enough finish.
Oh, you have to mix together,
Yeah,
right?
I'm gonna mix it together. It's same thing, it's just one has color and one doesn't.
Okay. Oh, almost finished.
Yeah, that's why I said, I'm not sure if I have enough.
Maybe buy some more then.
The only thing I really have to cover is the seat. The water-based everything into a...
Okay, what is it?
It's a stain for wood.
You already put in there? You already applied?
I applied it in this area,
Mm.
along the sides here. Well, my understanding is that the woman who originally owned this was the mother-in-law of the woman who wanted it to be repaired. She said that her mother-in-law loved this chair. Well, it started coming apart, and then the seat broke in this area. It delaminated because it's a plywood, and literally the chair was falling apart. So because it was her mother-in-law and she apparently loved her mother-in-law, she wanted the chair to be repaired, but they put it outside. It got weathered and started really falling apart. So I agreed I would try and fix it, and that's what I've done. This part here, I've tried to work in another piece of wood to sort of cover that delaminated area. I've got that worked, but I kept the rest of the seat as original as possible. Because of the weather out here in my little shop garage, I have not been able to work on it because of the heat and humidity. I hope she appreciates this. Doing this now just for the memory of her mother-in-law.
Do you charge anything?
I am not going to charge anything.
Why you not charge?
Because I also like to think that I'm doing it to help someone who apparently misses her mother-in-law. I can do it. Maybe a good merit on my part. Emotional attachment
It's worse.
changes the value of an object to people that have something to do with that object. It's priceless to the woman and the memories of her mother-in-law, apparently. So, yeah. And all sorts of equipment to play around with. At my age and my abilities, this little shop here works pretty good.
Why you take over 2 months for fix this chair?
Heat, humidity. Well, if the humidity is high, finish doesn't want to dry.
Got you.
You don't want to mess up.
It's done. Now we're waiting for let it dry.
Well, the chair is finally done. Trying to form that seat back to where it should be. But I think the owner will sit in it for a while longer. It's pretty solid right now.
It's beautiful. Deliver. It's done.
How are you?
Can't believe you got that done.
Well, there was many
Hi.
delays.
How are you?
It looks good.
And I tried to keep it all as original as I could.
It looks good.
And
Man,
to do
that's
some
good.
repairs here. But the rest is all original.
Can't believe how good it looks. Wow.
This is because this was your mother-in-law's chair.
Yes.
And because of that kind of sentiment, I am not going to charge you anything.
Oh. This made it so special.
Just, I hope it lasts for many, many years.
Oh, I'm sure it will. Thank you so much. Can't believe how good it looks. Thank you so
And
much.
humidity slows down. Yes, he's a
Hi.
Can't believe.
okay.
Oh,
well,
he's so sweet.
He just-
Oh my gosh.